Sonia, and today we're going to be making pierogi with a sour cream sauce, caramelized onions, and bacon. So let's get started!
To make it easy for you to follow along, I put a list of the ingredients below the video. Start by boiling your potatoes. When they're soft, strain them and then mash them. Now cook your bacon off, reserving the grease. Now set the bacon aside. Scoop out most of the grease, but save it for later. Sauté your jalapeno and then add your garlic just to release their flavors. Now add all of the potato filling ingredients to the mashed potatoes and mix well. Now put this in the fridge to cool. You just need to mix everything into a ball and then knead it into a soft dough. Slice your onion and cook it low and slow until it caramelizes. To make the sour cream sauce, we're going to start by sautéing the onion and then the garlic. Add the balsamic vinegar. The cream. And simmer over medium heat until reduced to the desired thickness. Turn off the heat, add the rest of the ingredients, and set it aside. Now unwrap the dough and knead it a few times. Cut it into 4 pieces, set 3 aside, keeping them covered with plastic wrap at all times. Now roll your ball into a large circle. Use flour as needed to keep it from sticking. Now you can use anything you want to cut the circles. Save the ends, you can re-roll these out and make new circles. You will want to fill these with as much potato filling as possible. Notice how I push the mashed potato into the dough as I close it. Wet the edges with water and seal. crimp the edges with the fork. Did you guys know pierogi are most recognized as a Polish dish but are eaten all over Eastern Europe? And when you say pierogi, it's already plural, no need for the extra S. If you're talking about only one dumpling, it's pieróg. Its roots have been traced to the Proto-Slavic word pier, which means a feast. Once they're all prepared, you're going to drop them in boiling, salted water until they float. Once they're floating, put them in a strainer. Once strained, we're going to fry them in bacon grease or butter until browned on all sides.
Omit the bacon to turn this into a vegetarian dish. And if you make extra sour cream sauce, put it in the fridge, and the next day you will have the best sour cream onion dip you've ever tasted.